Hello friends, Artist Resin Sudha here. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Today I will make a tea light holder using these shiny beads. I have kept my resin ready, which is a batch of 80 grams, out of which 60 grams is resin and 20 grams is hardener. Let's add the beads randomly in the mold. Let's pour the resin now. Squeeze or tap the mold from all the sides to allow the trapped bubbles to come up on the surface. I will allow it to cure for 24 hours. It's fully cured. Let's demold it. Oh wow, I love it. It looks like crystally. Love the shine in it. So tell me in the comments if you like it or not. If you like the creation, please give the video a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day everyone.